Hey everyone, we're here today with another hotel room tour, and we are at a historic hotel this time. But before we get started, please smash that subscribe button. It really helps my algorithms, and like this video. So we are at the Grand Hotel Golf and Spa Resort in Point Clear, Alabama. This is a historic hotel. It was a Confederate hospital during the Civil War, and it was also a barracks during World War II. It burned down several times, and this original building was built in around 1940. So we are in the historic building. There are several buildings, including very new and modern buildings like the spa building, but this is the historic building. This is a suite, a king suite, and if you look at a map of Point Clear, it actually does come to a distinct point, and right outside the window, the view from this room is the point, and we are right on the corner. You can see this is a corner room, and so you have a view of Mobile Bay out there, and where that building is, that's the point, right straight back there on the other side of that tree. So this King Suite starts with this room. We've been here a day already, and it hasn't been cleaned yet, so it's a little messy. But we have a sofa, a very comfortable sofa, and it is a sofa bed. The room, another historic feature, it doesn't have built-in closets, so there are these wardrobes, and this is kind of cool. It has a shoe rack down there. Isn't that neat? So and there's historic photos on the wall in the bedroom, which is really cool. Like I said, we have been here a night already. You can see all these wonderful historic photos. Really cool. King size bed, another little closet wardrobe, and let's look at the bathroom. So it is a shower. Bathroom's been totally updated. You can see. And there is the sink with everything you need. And it does have, all the hotels seem to be doing the things that are mounted on the shower, the products. So, but this is a great hotel, and it's really a beautiful spot. It's very southern, and it's just a wonderful place to stay. So go ahead and like this video, and please share it. It really helps my algorithms if you make a comment also. So thanks for watching.